Hey, what's up guys? Carlos here with Buckaroo Gear. I got a question on an email about how I make this rolled button knot for the pocket here. This is the outside pocket that I build, or I do, on a lot of different chinks and armitas, chaps. And so I thought I'd do a quick video on how I do this. So I just start with cutting a strip of leather. This is just soft chap leather. And rather than cutting a strip parallel, I'm going to cut it at sort of a wedge like this. You can see that line. So this is my strip that I'm going to use to make that rolled button knot. I'm going to take this strip. It doesn't need to be super long. I never measure it, but I'm going to square off the ends. And then on this end, I'm going to take and make it taper to a point. On this end, I just do this by eye. I'm going to take and taper a curve into it. I'm going to flip it over because your right hand tends to follow the same muscle memory. So, and it doesn't have to be perfect. This is kind of what I got here. So you can see it kind of hourglasses this way. Then I'm going to take a number 4 punch. And I'm just going to roll a button into this. And try to get it started as tight as you can. You see me just kind of working the leather to try to get it started. That's about big enough right there. Punch a hole through the center. Bring your tapered tip through. And just pull it through. So there you go. There's your rolled button knot. That's basically all you need. Then I'll just finish out this pocket.